Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll see the part 5 and that we'll see the objective type questions. So these are the questions here given and with the white one these are the answers. So now here this is filling the blanks and then we have to see the factors of this one 25a square minus 49b square. So you can see this also is a perfect square and this also is a perfect square. When you take the square root of this one, so this is in the form of a square minus b square. So that is going to be a plus b, a minus b, or we can also write this one a minus b and a plus b because there is a multiplication sign in between. So wherever if we write here 5 into 3 is also 15 and 3 into 5 that also is 15. So we can write it anyways. So this will be, when you take the square root of this one, so this will be a, that will be 5a plus, this is a plus b and this will be a minus b because 25a square will be 5a and this is going to be root of this will be 7b. So this is the answer. Now the factorization of this one. So you can see this is the first term, the middle term and the last term. So in this case we have three terms. So we can see this also is a perfect square as well as this also is a perfect square. So this is going to be 3x and this is going to be 4y. So we can write this one in the form of a plus b whole bracket square. So you know a plus b whole bracket square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and we will expand and I will show you how we get the same this one. So now see this is a plus b. So a square means 3x square plus 2ab, 2 into 3x into 4y plus 4ab means 4y square. So what do you get here? When you take this square means this into this one, so that is going to be 9x square. This together 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24 plus 24 and this is xy and this will be 4 4s are 16y square plus 16y square, which is the same as this part. Now the factorization of this one is what? So now again here this is in the form of a quadratic equation. So what we do, this first term, the middle term and the last term. So we take the coefficient of this and this one. So that is going to be 35 into 4, that is going to be 140. So we are going to split we got 140, we are going to split up in the middle term. So we get minus 4. So I'll show you here 140. So that will be 270s are, 235s are, 5 7s are and 7 1s are. So what do we get here? We can take 14 and 10. So minus 14 plus 10 is going to be minus 4. So minus 14x plus 10x. This is a split up of this one. This and this stays the same. So now we are going to make it into two groups. So in the first group 2x is common. So in the bracket will be 2x minus 7. This the same sign plus. In the second group 5 is common. So in the bracket we get 2x minus 7. So here when you expand this you get same as this one. So now this both is same and it should be same. If you don't get same, that means you have to recheck. So 2x minus 7 we can write it only once. This is going to be 2x plus 5. Now for this one we have to factorize this one. So when you take this is in the form of a square minus b square. So when you take the square root of this one, so that is going to be 4a square. So a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. So now what will be that? 4a square plus b square. So now see here, I will do it separately. So this is here, this is the rough work for this one. 4a square plus b square and 4a square minus b square. This is the answer for that one. So because it is the fill in the blank. So now 4a square plus b square will be as it is. But this again, this is because this is minus. This will be a square minus b square. So it will be again a plus b and a minus b. So this will be the same as this one. And this part is going to be, so again when you take the square root of this one, that will be 2a plus b and 2a minus b. So same thing is written here because this is the final answer. This is because that is in the form of filling the blank and this is just the rough work. Now for this one, we have to factorize this part. So now you have to see the first and the last term. So when you take the square root of this one, and this is also perfect square, so this is going to be 3x and this is going to be 5. So the sign whatever is here, after one term that you're going to put it. So you're going to take the square root, and when you expand this one, this is in the form of a plus b whole bracket square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you can expand and see you get the same as this part. Now this is slightly different, just concentrate on this part. So now you can see this is 9, this is a plus 2b, and this is the whole bracket square, and this is minus over here 4 into 3a minus b whole bracket square. So what we are going to do in this 9, we'll write as it is. We are going to expand this one. This is in the form of a plus b whole bracket square. So a square means a square plus 2ab means 2 into a into b. So that is going to be 4ab, and the square of this one, b square, means 2b square. So this is going to be 4b square. This minus 4 as it is. Now again this is in the form of a minus b whole bracket square. So that is going to be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So when you expand this, a square means 3a square. This is going to be 9a square minus 2ab means minus 2 into 3a into b. So that is going to be 6ab minus 6ab, and this is going to be plus b square. So this is going to be 9a square plus 36ab plus 36b square, and this is going to be minus 36a square, minus minus becomes plus. This is going to be 24ab, and this is going to be minus 4b square. So now what are we going to do? 9a square, again you can see a square is here, so minus 36a square, bring the like terms together. 36ab and this is 24ab, bring it together, and now this and this, bring it together. Again this the like terms, we have to bring it together. When you take this one, minus 36 plus 9, that is going to be minus 27. From this one, this we are going to add because both is ab, so that is plus, so that is going to be 60ab, and this is going to be here again plus 36 minus 4, so that is going to be plus 32b square. So now again what I am going to do, first thing, we'll keep this one, this minus 27a square as it is. So we are going to take this middle term, we are going to split up into this one, and this is 32. So 32 into 27, so that will be 32 into 27. So this will be 21, this 22, and this will be 4, and this is 6. So that will be 864. So you take the factors of 864 and you have to arrange this one so that we get plus 72 minus 12. So you can arrange and see, and this stays the same. So now from these two parts we can take 9a common. So in the bracket there will be, because this is minus, so minus 3a plus 8b, and here again when we take 4b common. So here slightly we have rearranged, because usually what we do, because this is minus, we take here minus, but to bring both the brackets same, so this is slightly different, this step is slightly different. Otherwise when we do the grouping, we take whatever the sign after two terms, we take the same size sign over here. But if we take minus over here, we don't get both the same bracket. So this is arranged over here. Actually, this is minus, so plus minus becomes minus. This is not changed, but only the sign is changed. And this is plus, so plus and plus becomes plus here. So this is the step what you have to see in this problem here. So now you can see both the brackets are same. And this whatever is 9a plus 4b, and this is minus 3a plus 8b. So now this is the same. Now what we have done here, only the thing is 8b we have taken at the start, and this is minus 3a. Or you can also write this way, both is the same. Now this is the question given, and these are the blanks. So what we can do for this one, this is a raised to 4 minus 1, that is a square minus b square. So that is going to be a plus b and a minus b. So when you take the square root of this one, so that is going to be a square plus 1 and a square. So this is the rough work, this is the answer for that one. So this is a square plus 1 and a square minus 1. So now a square plus 1 stays as it is, but again this is in the form of a square minus b square. So when you take the square root of that one, so that will be a minus b and a plus b, or a plus b and a minus b. So that will be a plus 1 and a minus 1. So here a square plus 1 is already given. Only the thing is here was the blank, so we have to put this and this part. This is just the rough work. Once again I repeat, this is the rough work. So directly we cannot write the answers, so you need, in some questions you need the rough work. Now here it says evaluate, this part is given and that is a blank here. So what you can see, this is the first term and this is the second term. So from this one we can see 199 into 199, and here the second term, that is just 199. So we can take 199 one common here. So now what remains here inside the bracket is 199 plus this same plus here. 199 means already it is here into 1, that is not going to change the value. So now you have 199 same. So 199 plus 1, that is going to be 200. So when you multiply this, you get 39800. Now you have to factorize this part. So here this is in the form of a quadratic equation, ax square minus bx plus c. So what you have to do, take the coefficient of this one, that is 36. So take the factors of 36 to get the middle term, minus 13. So this is going to be 9 and 4. So that will be minus 9 minus 4. So 3x square minus 9x minus 4x plus 12. So from this first group, you can take 3x common. In the bracket will be x minus 3. This minus sign stays as it is. So minus 4 into x minus 3. So minus 4x, and this is going to be plus 12. So now what you can see, this and this both is the same. And this outside, this is 3x minus 4. And this we are going to write it only once. So this is the answer. Now here you have to factorize 18 minus 2x square. So this is the first term, second term. So 2 is common. So that will be 9 minus x square. Here 2 is the same. So this is going to be again, this is in the form of a square minus b square. That will be a minus b and a plus b. So you will take the square root of it. So that will be 3 plus x, and this is going to be 3 minus x. Now from this 2, x is going to be common, and this is going to be x square minus 25. So here will be square root of this part. So that will be x plus 5 and x minus 5. So this is x. Now here 9 is common here, x plus y square. So this will be x square plus 2xy plus y square. And this is going to be minus x square. So this will be 9x square plus 18xy. And this is will be 9y square. This is the same. So now 9x square minus x square, that is going to be 8x square. This is the same. Again, this is the same. So now this we can split up now. This is in the, we'll take the coefficient of this and this one. That is going to be 8 9 is 72. So this is the middle term. We are going to split up into 2. After taking 72, we have to see two numbers where we get 18. So that will be, I'll just show you, 2 36s are, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So this is going to be 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12, and this will be 6. So 12, and we have to rearrange, because if we take here 3 and 3 and then 8, so 8 and 9, that is going to be 17. So from that factors we have to rearrange and write the numbers to get it to 18. So now plus 12 and plus 6 for this one, and this stays the same. So now this is one group. The next group, from the first group 4x is common, so remains in the bracket is 2x plus 3y. This side the same. From the second group 3y is common, in the bracket will be 2x plus 3y. So both the brackets are same and it should be same, and here 4x plus 3y and here will be 2x plus 3y. Now from this part, what we can see, we can group it into two parts. From the first one, the a is common, so remaining in the bracket is b minus c. This is the same from the other one, that is b. So in the bracket will be b minus c. So now we can see b minus c the same. So you will write here a minus b and b minus c here. Same here, what we will do here, for this one, because now brackets are different, so what will you do? First thing, we are going to expand it, a square minus 3a. So that is here, minus, this is going to be minus b square, minus minus becomes plus 3b. So this is going to be a square minus b square, we'll write here, and here minus 3a plus 3b. So why did we write here? For this one, a square minus b square means, the formula for that one, a plus b and a minus b. So for this one, so I have brought it together. And from this one, what we can see, minus 3 is common. So in the bracket will be a minus b, because minus 3a and plus 3b. So now what will you do? See here, this is a minus sign and this is multiplication. So this is one group, this is the other group. This is the important step here. So from this, the first group, you can see a minus, from here also a minus b is there. The second group also we have a minus b. So we'll write here once a minus b, and then what remains here? A plus b, and this is minus 3. So that will be in the other bracket. So this is something slightly different. So now here the first and the second, again the term, so we can take 7 common. So in the bracket will be x square minus 25y square. So 7 as it is. So now you can see this also is a perfect square, this also is a perfect square. So it will be in the form of a square minus b square. So when you take a, that will be a plus b and a minus b. So when you take the square root of that, a plus b. So a is, this will be x plus this will be 5y. So this is a plus b and this is a minus b. So this is the answer. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Also don't forget to use the hype button, which is a new added button. So below the comments, beside this one, the comment section, there are 2 dots. So when you slide this comment section here, so you can see after sliding this button, you can see a hype. So try to press that hype button. Thank you.